Morning rush ain't easy, no. Carpool sharing makes it slow. Bosses' eyes watching close. Tiffin boxes feed the pros. Colleague chatter fills the air. Emails blinking everywhere. Coffee cups that overflow. Deadline stress begins to show. Office blues we all can feel, from the desk to every meal. Lunchtime buzzing like a bee. Camaraderie sets us free. Conference calls at 10:30. Boss's door is always closed. Hopes of praise just lightly dosed. Carpool talks we often share. Traffic jams cause wear and tear. Funny stories make us laugh. Teamwork settles every gaffe. Office blues we all can feel, from the desk to every meal. Lunchtime buzzing like a bee. Camaraderie sets us free. Office blues we all can feel, from the desk to every meal. Lunchtime buzzing like a bee. Camaraderie sets us free. Lunchtime buzzing like a bee. Camaraderie sets us free. Office blues we all can feel, from the desk to every meal. Lunchtime buzzing like a bee. Camaraderie sets us free. Office blues we all can feel, from the desk to every meal. Lunchtime buzzing like a bee. Camaraderie sets us free. Office blues we all can feel, from the desk to every meal. Lunchtime buzzing like a bee. Camaraderie sets us free. Where shadows fade to blue, the city calls our names, but there's something more for you. We've been tied down by the chains of a world that doesn't care, but tonight we'll find the courage. We'll breathe the open air. Let the past fall away, like stars that lose their shine. There's a brighter dawn ahead, and it's calling. It's time. We'll leave it all behind, the weight, the tears, the pain. Step into the night where the future's ours to claim. The world will keep on turning, but we won't be the same. We'll rise above the noise and ignite the flame. We'll leave it all behind. Yeah, we'll leave it all behind. The pulse of the music, the beats within our veins. With every step we take, we're breaking off the chains. The road ahead is long, but our hearts are strong and true. In this endless sky of dreams, there's nothing we can't do. Let the past fall away, like echoes in the night. We'll chase the light together, until the morning bright. We'll leave it all behind, the weight, the tears, the pain. Step into the night, where the future's ours to claim. The world will keep on turning, but we won't be the same. We'll rise above the noise and ignite the flame. We'll leave it all behind. Yeah, we'll leave it all behind. We'll leave it all behind. No more fears to hold us down, no more doubts to hide. With every beat we're closer now to the other side. In the whispers of the wind, we'll hear our destiny. Together we'll rewrite the stars and set our spirits free. We'll leave it all behind, the weight, the tears, the pain. Step into the night, where the future's ours to claim. The world will keep on turning, but we won't be the same. We'll rise above the noise and ignite the flame. We'll leave it all behind. Yeah, we'll leave it all behind. We'll leave it all behind. The dawn begins to break and the shadows start to fade. We'll stand hand in hand with the life we made. The world will keep on turning, but we won't look behind. Together we'll keep moving to the rhythm of our mind. We'll leave it all behind. Yeah, we'll leave it all behind. We'll leave it all behind.
I thought we had a bond so tight, but shadows whispered in the night. You spread your lies, they took their flight. Now I'm left alone to fight. Oh, the pain of betrayal, it cuts so deep. The scars you left I silently keep. My heart's a book with pages torn. In silence I'm on, in silence I'm on. In silence I'm on. You turned them all against my name, played your twisted little game. Integrity's a burning flame, but your deceit, it brought me shame. Oh, the pain of betrayal, it cuts so deep. The scars you left I silently keep. My heart's a book with pages torn. In silence I'm on, in silence I'm on. In silence I'm on. I trusted you, now trust is gone. In the silent battle I stand alone. I hold my ground, I carry on. With a heart of truth I'll face the dawn. Oh, the pain of betrayal, it cuts so deep. The scars you left I silently keep. My heart's a book with pages torn. In silence I'm on, in silence I'm on. I thought we had a bond so tight. The shadows whispered in the night. You spread your lies, they took their flight. Now I'm left alone to fight. Oh, the pain of betrayal, it cuts so deep. The scars you left I silently keep. My heart's a book with pages torn. In silence I'm on, in silence I'm on. integrity's a burning flame, but your deceit, it brought me shame. So here I stand with my silent pride. Underneath this clear blue sky, I'll find my strength, I'll get by. With honesty, I'll reach for the sky. No more shadows, no more lies. In the light, my spirit flies. I'll walk the path of clear eyes. In truth and love, my heart relies. Eyes, they reach for the sky. No more shadows, no more lies. In the light, my spirit flies. I'll walk the path with clear eyes. In truth and love, my heart relies. Whispers fade, pain subsides. In resilience, my soul abides. Through the storm, through the tides, my integrity, my guiding light. Friends may falter, trust may break, but in my heart the truth I'll take. For every